Whoa.
Counting fun, garden. Let's count together.
Little detectives, put on your sunglasses. Get your eagle eyes ready. How many children are swimming? Splash. Splash. The answer is 12. How many beach balls? Round and bouncy. The answer is 3. How many starfish? Tiny and star-shaped. The answer is 12. How many seagulls in the sky? Flap, flap. Mine. Mine. The answer is 13. How many shells on the beach? Big and small. The answer is 9. How many yacht? The answer is 1. Wow. Beach champion. Super eagle eyes. Give yourself a big clap and a happy dance. Counting is so much fun. See you again soon.
Bye. Whoa.